Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I have a package here from Let's Get Planned. Let's see what we have. All right, let's look at this. So this is the thank you card. Vibing to my own beat. And this, I'm sure, is half letter size. Yep, 5.5, 8.5. So you can put that in your half letter planner. Nice dashboard. This looks like Valentine's Day. And let's see. These are the dolls. I guess I can zoom in a little bit. So there we go. Loving the skin I am in. Love is prioritizing my peace. Get that one. Falling more in love with myself one day at a time. I like this one with the candies. Here we go with the gifts. Loving this version of me. There we go. That one is nice too. Loving, peaceful, and free. All right, and then this looks like a kit. Couples love. So you got the couple, the floral, the days of the week, some boxes. Oh, some more of the same with some hearts. You get the tic-tac-toe, more florals and hearts in the couples. These are nice. And this can go a long way, this kit. You could probably do several different planners. Couples Lane Florals. Okay. So that's all Valentine's Day. And let's see what we have here. This is a lot. Okay, this is a vinyl sticker. Then some scripts. Remember to do goals, priorities, tasks, note. Okay, this is the same. A little bigger, a little bigger. So you have something that will work with any size planner. Oh, I needed these. Trash day. So you got some functional stickers. Payday. Grocery. Then this is an exclusive doll. Another exclusive. Oops. So all of these are saying exclusive. These are January dolls. I like her outfit. Another exclusive. Then we get to the kits. Okay. So this is for the month. This is the February monthly. So I'm happy to use that. This is February monthly too. So you get the dates for the whole month. You get the header strips, the deco strips, the month on one of the strips. You got this doll that says be mine, the days of the week, and the rest of the dates. Another doll. You get the little icons, scripts or text for the important holidays, dates. That's nice. And then this is all florals. More February. This is for the currently page. So currently loving, enjoying, grateful for, praying for, saving, celebrating, making in the news, letting go of and workouts. This month's intention, this month's prayer, this month's reflection. Eating, reading, watching, drinking, listening to, feeling, going, self-care, planning. Then this is March. Ooh, so I can get ahead. And it's the same type of kit with a different theme. So you get the dates, the days of the week, florals. So it's getting into that springy look. So this is the March currently. Then these are the Mardi Gras stickers. These are nice too. Wow. Those are great. Okay. Then this is Guided and Protected. My ancestors are with me. Here's more. This could be good for Black History Month. So could this. Well, this says Black History, so there you go. Black History 2024. Busy making my ancestors proud. This is a currently for February. So we got a Black History currently. Then Tribal Goddess. Motherland. I like these. Then Alpha. That's different too. More Alpha. Then you got the months, days of the week, and dates. My creativity. This is Creative Bliss. I like that too. This is Creative Bliss as well. So that's a lot of stickers to choose from. So I do have a discount code for Let's Get Planned. I will link to Let's Get Planned in the description box below. I will include my discount code. These are some really nice and different stickers. So go over and check them out. Let them know that I sent you. After a bit of a break, I am back. I have decided that I want to use Creative Bliss to do the week of, what is the week of? I'm going to do the week of the 15th through the 21st because I am terribly behind, and I am going to do a week on 2 pages. I've already drawn my lines. I use my Tim Holtz ruler, which is 1.5 inches wide. Makes it really easy to make your columns. All you do is line the ruler up, draw the lines on either side, and voila, you have a 1.5 inch width column. So you can make a planner column setup anywhere you want to with this ruler because it's already the correct width. So these are the stickers that I'm going to use. And I only pulled out this one washi, but I'm thinking now maybe I should have got something with this blue in it. But I'm just going to use this one for now. This is from Simply Gilded. I can't remember what the name of this particular washi is, but it came in a variety of different colors, and I think it's out again in different colorways as well. And I really like it. There's one with black and multicolored. That's kind of my favorite. The one that I used on my dashboard last year in the Stalogy. Okay, so I'm going to go with that at the bottom. Then at the top, I'm going to use some of the floral edges, if I can get them off. Not too much of an offset, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to keep this really, really simple because, just because. Not a lot happened anyway. I don't like that those are the same right there. So we're going to break that up a little bit with one of these florals. Let's see, maybe I should make it go over the page or go this way. Let's do it like that. Okay. So it's not so much of a mirrored image. Then let's put down the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The only thing with this is because this is B6, it will have a split weekend, but I mean, it can't be helped. You can't, I mean, if you want the 1.5 inch with, where am I going to put the number? Should I put them at the bottom or the top? If you want the 1.5 inch with columns, then you'll have to have a split weekend. If you don't, if it doesn't matter, then you can change the width of your columns to fit 7 instead of 6. Oh, she moved. So Suki was right at my feet and I couldn't scoot my chair up without rolling over her. So now I can get right and scoot my chair up. She left. Let's see, I'm gonna use, these rulers are great to me. You can use it as a center finder, so I can kind of find where the center is between those, depending on what I'm using as a guide to find the center. It works pretty good. Now I've put down some crookedness here. Kind of hard for me to see the lines a lot of times. I think that's a little bit better. Okay. So I've been setting up a new crafting area. So I think this is good, even though it's for paper crafting. I think this is a good option. I wish this had a desk, but maybe I can use this with the drawers. Let's see, I got my new desk Sunday, so I was busy setting it up. Put it together Sunday night, Sunday before this. I like that it's in an area where I don't have to come in the craft lab, and it helps me kind of keep things separate. So my journal stuff can be a little more separate from the planner stuff, if you know what I mean. I don't know that I want to use a doll this week. Can you believe it? Oh, I like this. Were there any appointments? Yes, there were. But I don't want to use those colors. Let's use this. Love the paint palette. I'm gonna put that there with the artsy stuff. I'm gonna use this here. And anything else? I think I'll save that. I don't think I need more right now. Let's see what I can use from here. I really need to put the dates down, don't I? I'll deal with that later, I guess. I didn't run any errands, but I did Friday. Let's do plan next week. Let's use one of these boxes. Even though I wish they were the tan color instead. There was a birthday, the last one, on Wednesday. Yep. I did do a post office run. I'm debating on whether I should cancel my post office box. The price is totally outrageous now. And it just doesn't make very much sense for me to continue with it because I don't really use it that much. I rarely get anything in the box. So it's like I'm paying for it just to have it just in case. And I just don't think I need it. So I might let that go, because that's a ridiculously expensive expense. Okay. Let's do some numbers. All right, let's see what Mojo Jojo Plans has for us for dates. I gotta really start being consistent on using these for the whole month so that I don't end up with a bunch of random numbers that I can't use. Already headed down that path. Okay. Maybe I should use dated basics. So we got the 15th. Okay, so maybe I should have moved Sunday down a little bit more because I didn't account for the date, but it'll be fine since I already know what did and did not happen. There we go. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and use her because it looks a little plain. Let's use the plant. Let me look through these one more time. I probably could have used one of these dolls. That's okay. I should have used these icons. I'll be sure to use them next time, but I'm definitely going to use one of these trash cans because I just can't pass it up. I think I want to take her out and put her up here so she could get used. See, I added this sticker to the front here. Maybe I'll fill this up with stickers too. We'll see. I'm going to tuck this in right here. Okay, so I don't lose it. And I think that is it. Why does everything look so crooked? So yeah, that's it. Very simple, very basic. I should go ahead and do the next week, but I don't know what I want to do yet. So I'll hold off for now. That is it. You got to see some of the stickers in use. And I'm sure I'll be back to use some more. I can't wait till we get to February so that I can use some of these February stickers. Let's see. So we got the 22nd through the 28th to do next time we come back, and then we'll be moving into February. So don't forget to go over and check out Let's Get Planned. They have awesome stickers, as you can see. They really incorporate the holidays, which is great. At least for me, I love the holiday stuff. The link will be in the description box below, as well as my discount code. So go check them out. Let them know that I sent you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.